So this is my little Clark forklift. I bought it, never really looked at it, ran okay, never wants to idle right, and I just gave it a tune-up. When I got it, I first changed the oil, but then really I didn't do anything to it. But I did end up getting some crap in the carb, so I took the carburetor off and cleaned it and put a new fuel filter on, but it still won't idle, and that could be a sign of a vacuum leak. The vacuum is supposed to pull the fuel through the carburetor, and if there's another way for it to suck the air, think of the pistons pulling the air in, it'll bypass the carb and it won't get fuel. So a good way to check that actually is to take a propane torch and just don't light it, but just open up the propane and then start up. And then wherever you think the vacuum leak is, sucking in the propane, it'll run on the propane. When you feel the revs go up, you know that there's that's where your leak is. See that? So it's really bad of me, but there's supposed to be a little bracket here, I guess, holding this manifold tight. So there's two bolts here, and it's obviously leaking in between the manifold and the head there. So we'll put a couple clamps on it. Hopefully you can seal that up, and it should idle much better. So here we go. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you love the channel, consider heading over to Patreon. There's a lot of stuff happening there to help support the channel. And remember, if you're not filthy, you're not rich.